Chronic stress in kids creates chronic illnesses in kids. Now, stress comes in many different forms. Kids experience physical stress through falls, traumas, sports injuries. They can experience chemical stress, like the things that they eat or the things that are in their environment. And they can also experience emotional stress. All three of these, though, are under that one umbrella of stress. Now, what happens with stress is it activates what's called the sympathetic nervous system, or what we call the gas pedal of the autonomic nervous system. That's that fight or flight side of the nervous system. When the sympathetic nervous system is activated over and over again, also known as chronic stress, that primes the brain to stay stressed. Now, that is a huge problem because that leads to an exaggerated immune response. And that creates more stress on the body, physically, chemically, and emotionally. Now, this exaggerated immune response is what creates the chronic illness. And those chronic illnesses can look like chronic ear infections. It can look like chronic colds and flus. It can look like taking a long time to recover from simple things like a drippy nose or a fever or any of that. And what we know also about sickness or illness, it also affects the gut due to the gut-immune axis. So that can create things like constipation as well. So when all these things keep happening, that creates another cycle, another pathway of chronic stress for the body. Now, what can you do as parents to calm the nervous system, to deactivate the sympathetic nervous system and activate the parasympathetic nervous system? That can be done through neurologically focused chiropractic adjustments and low-level laser therapy. What that does is it calms down the body's reaction to stress. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, and it stops the body from going through this cycle of stress, the chronic, constant stress that we originally saw.